Welcome to our in-depth review of the Noise Quad Call 1.81-inch display Bluetooth calling smartwatch. This newly launched wearable is packed with features that cater to both tech enthusiasts and fitness buffs. Let's dive into what makes this smartwatch a standout choice. Design and display. The Noise Quad Call features a stunning 1.81-inch, 4.59 centimeters, TFT display with a resolution of 240 by 280 pixels. With 550 nits brightness, the visuals are clear and vibrant, making it easy to read notifications and track your stats, even in bright sunlight. The metallic build adds a premium feel, and the rose-pink color is both trendy and elegant. Battery life. One of the highlights of this smartwatch is its impressive battery life. With up to 7 days of use on a single charge and up to 2 days with Bluetooth calling activated, you won't have to worry about frequent recharges. The 260 mAh battery takes approximately 2.5 hours to fully charge using a 5W power adapter. Remember to avoid fast chargers to prevent potential damage. Smart features. Bluetooth calling. Stay connected on the go with advanced Bluetooth calling capabilities. AI voice assistants. Easily control your watch and get assistance with the built-in AI voice assistant. Inbuilt games. Enjoy some downtime with a selection of fun games built into the smartwatch. Health and fitness. Equipped with the Noise Health Suite TM, this smartwatch supports an active lifestyle with features like 100 sports modes, IP67 water resistance, continuous heart rate monitoring, customization. Express your style with over 100 cloud-based watch faces. Whether you prefer a classic look or something more playful, there's a watch face for every mood. Music and volume control. Control your music playback directly from your wrist as long as your smartwatch is within Bluetooth range of your phone. You can also manage volume during calls and while listening to music, thanks to the built-in mic and speaker. NoiseFit app. Pair your smartwatch with the NoiseFit app to track your progress, get health updates, compete with friends, and share your achievements. Customers appreciate the vibrant display and sleek design of the Noise Quad Call smartwatch. It offers great value for its price, with many users praising its appearance and build quality. However, some have noted issues with connectivity and display performance. Opinions on battery life and accuracy are mixed. The Noise Quad Call 1.81-inch display Bluetooth calling smartwatch is a versatile and stylish companion for anyone looking to enhance their daily routine with smart technology. With a robust set of features, impressive battery life, and a sleek design, it's a great addition to your tech arsenal. If you're in the market for a new smartwatch that combines style, functionality, and affordability, the Noise Quad Call is definitely worth considering. Check it out today and experience the future of wearable tech. Link is given in description and first pin comments. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.